Hello and welcome to Spot the Stock number 2, and the company is Linde. This is our new product following Spot the Sector. We're talking about materials, and Linde is the biggest stock in the materials sector. I'm Marcello Zanardo, CEO of Mercury Partners Academy and adjunct professor at Ca' Foscari University of Venice. If we look at the stock, Linde operates pretty much all over the world. It offers atmospheric gases, including oxygen and many other, and processed gases such as carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, electronic gases, specialty gases, and so on. The company also designs and constructs turnkey process plants for third-party customers. And just bear in mind that it serves a range of industries, including healthcare, chemicals, energy, manufacturing, metals and mining, food, beverage, and electronics. The company was founded in 1879 and is based in Woking in the United Kingdom. Looking at the materials, like we showed to you in Spot the Sector, the index is made up by over 100 stocks. Linde is the biggest, with a market cap up to a few days ago of 230 billion. The second biggest is BHP Group at 140 billion. This is in US dollars. If we look at the general financial overview, looking at markets, multiples, and others, share price 476.86 with a market cap, as I said, 227 billion. It's interesting to see that in the last 52 weeks, the share price is close to the 52 weeks high, which was at 483. The 1 year change, 28% up. Then we have all the usual market values, EPS, price earnings, price to book, and dividend. If we look at the revenues, we're looking at total revenues progression, as you can see from the slide, and net income in the region of, as we said, 8.3 billion, 8.1 billion, 8.3 billion for the revenues, and the net income in the region of 1.5 to 1.6, 1.7. Looking at profitability ratio, if we look at the gross margin, operating margin, pre-tax, and net profit margin in the slide compared to the 5 years average, we can see that the TTM, which is trailing 12 months, the last 12 months, they're standing at higher margins. And if we look at the return on equity, we're looking at the 5 years, 9%, and the return on asset of the last 12 months, 6.7%. There are many indicators which we go through the slide. In terms of dividend yield, the yield in line with the industry is fairly low, meaning that those kind of companies don't really pay a very high dividend. At the industry level, 1.58, at the company level, 1.1. And if we look at the yield over the last 5 years, almost 1% versus the industry at 2.59%, with a higher dividend growth rate of 9% annualized versus 6.7%. That's all from us. Keep looking at our internship opportunities on mercurypartners.net. Keep following on our social, and stay tuned for more events and more Spot the Market, Spot the Sector, and Spot the Stock. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.